The Darkrock series is the premium series of air coolers from Be Quiet. With the help of your feedback, we were able to implement many useful optimizations in the Darkrock 5 compared to its predecessor, the Darkrock 4. These include improved cooling performance, simplified installation and a revised design. In particular, the Darkrock 5 fits much better with tall RAM and high-end mainboards. Premium starts with quality and design. The two most important components of a classic air cooler are the combination of heatsink and high-performance fan. The black metal fins with the special ceramic particle coating for optimum heat transfer are complemented by our flagship SilentWings 4 120mm fan in the PWM version. This change has a major impact on performance, but more on that later. The most important improvement over its predecessor is the design. The 6 high-performance heat pipes of the Darkrock 5 are shaped in such a way that the front fan of the cooler still ends above the CPU socket. Thanks to this asymmetrical arrangement, the cooler does not stick out above the RAM slots and provides a clear view of your impressively illuminated ARGB memory. There are also cutouts on the bottom edge and corners of the heatsink to maximize the area above the socket without interfering with the motherboard's VRM coolers. Another important change compared to the predecessor, but something common with the rest of the current Darkrock series, is the fixed mounting bridge with pre-installed screws. This makes mounting on CPU child's play. Simply place the cooler and tighten the screws. The performance also has been improved over the Darkrock 4. As already mentioned, the 120mm SilentWings 4 fan provides the necessary airflow. Compared to the Darkrock 4, the SilentWings 4 offers a significant increase in performance at the same noise level, but still has plenty of power reserves to provide high-performance cooling for current AMD processors with AM5 and AM4 sockets and Intel processors with LGA 1700 or LGA 1200 sockets. In normal conditions, the SilentWings 4 is virtually inaudible, but when more power is required, it can spin up to 2100 RPM compared to 1400 RPM for the predecessor. At maximum speed, it reaches 29.8 decibel. If you're not sure if the Darkrock 5 is the right choice for your processor or if you should go for the bigger Darkrock Pro 5, you can find the answer in our CPU cooler check. All current processors are listed here and there are specific recommendations which of our coolers are best suited for them. You can also use this tool to check the compatibility of our coolers with a wide range of mainboards and find out if there are any limitations with your RAM modules. Darkrock 5 is our powerful single tower cooler from the Darkrock series, which is virtually inaudible in normal conditions and still offers plenty of performance reserves thanks to the SilentWings 4. The high quality finish paired with the optimized design of the cooler will convince you when unpacking and installing the Darkrock 5 in your system.